Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create a business logo presentation using pixel aspect ratio in Photoshop. A logo appears sharp yet slightly wrong. Pixel aspect ratio reveals the problem. Proportions are restored carefully. Circles become perfect. Typography relaxes. Silence matters here. Business identity relies on precision. The logo is previewed at different sizes. Nothing breaks, nothing bends. This small correction ensures the brand looks premium everywhere. A final pause confirms visual honesty. Thank you for watching.